coming! They are coming!
Space may look beautiful to us, but in reality, it is thousands of times more dangerous, especially when traveling through it for a long period of time. One small mistake can send you forever into the endless depths of space. It is a deadly place where one error means no return. And if a technical failure occurs, your life is at 100% risk. You never know which moment will push you straight into the jaws of death. Today, we will tell you about such accidents in space that completely changed space laws forever. Number 1. Soyuz 11 mission. On the 6th of June, 1971, at 8 p.m., a mission was being launched into space from the Soviet Union. The purpose of this mission was to send humans into space for the first time and keep them there for a long period of time, so it could be understood how the human body behaves in space. The mission itself was successful, but during the return on the 29th of June, 1971, a very major accident occurred in which 3 astronauts lost their lives. The mission ended in disaster when the crew capsule depressurized during preparations for re-entry. Number 2. Space Shuttle Challenger. In the morning, on the 28th of January, 1986, at Florida's Kennedy Space Center, NASA's Space Shuttle Challenger was ready for launch. The entire USA was watching this mission because it was going to send a teacher into space, and even children in schools were filled with excitement. At 11:38 a.m., Challenger launched. The shuttle was rising, everything seemed normal. But just 73 seconds later, because of the extremely cold morning, a rubber seal failed. As soon as the seal failed, the shuttle exploded, and the entire mission turned into a tragic disaster. In this explosion, 7 astronauts lost their lives, and the whole world was left in shock. The impact of this accident was massive. NASA suspended the Space Shuttle program for 2 years. Safety protocols were completely reviewed, and this tragedy taught a harsh lesson in space. Even the smallest mistake can be deadly. Number 3. Apollo 1 fire. On the morning of the 27th of January 1967, at NASA's Cape Kennedy Test Center, the astronauts of the Apollo 1 mission were preparing for a ground test. The purpose of the mission was to send humans to the moon and land there safely, and this test was meant to be the final check of the spacecraft's safety and systems. During the test, as all systems were being activated, a fire suddenly broke out inside the capsule. The crew had no time to escape, and in this tragic accident, 3 astronauts lost their lives. This disaster became a major lesson for NASA. The spacecraft design and safety protocols were completely redesigned, and in future missions, astronaut safety was made the top priority. Number 4. Space Shuttle Columbia. On the evening of the 1st of February 2003, NASA's Space Shuttle Columbia was returning to Earth after completing its mission. The purpose of the mission was to complete space experiments and safely bring the crew back home. But during the return, the shuttle's heat shield was damaged. During re-entry, this damage proved fatal for the shuttle, and the entire spacecraft was destroyed. In this tragic accident, 7 astronauts lost their lives.